In this video, I'll guide you through how to view the balance sheet in Wave Accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or just managing personal finances, understanding how to access and interpret your balance sheet is crucial. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of your financial health, showing what you own, what you owe, and your overall net worth at any given point in time. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, let's open up Wave Accounting. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is your navigation sidebar, where you can access different features and tools within Wave Accounting. To find your balance sheet, you'll want to click on the option labeled Reports. This section is where all your financial reports live. After you click on Reports, you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to various report types. Here you'll find a section dedicated to financial statements. In this section, look for the option that says Balance Sheet. Clicking on Balance Sheet will bring you closer to accessing the comprehensive view of your financial standing. Now that you've selected the balance sheet, it's time to configure your report parameters. This step is crucial because it allows you to customize the information according to your specific needs. You'll notice options to adjust the date range. This means you can view your balance sheet as of today, or you can choose to view it for a specific period in the past. If you're analyzing trends or comparing your financials across different periods, selecting the appropriate date range is essential. Additionally, you might have options to select specific businesses if you manage multiple accounts within Wave Accounting. This feature ensures that the balance sheet you're viewing is relevant to the particular business entity you're analyzing. Once you've set your parameters to your liking, Wave Accounting will generate the balance sheet for you. This document will be neatly organized to show your assets, liabilities, and equity. The Assets section lists everything your business owns, from cash on hand to property and equipment. Liabilities, on the other hand, show what your business owes, including loans and any outstanding bills. Finally, the Equity section provides a look at the residual value after liabilities have been subtracted from assets, giving you insight into the net worth of your business. That's it! You've successfully accessed and configured your balance sheet in Wave Accounting. This document is an invaluable tool for analyzing your financial health and planning future business strategies. If you need a physical copy, you can easily export the report to a PDF or Excel file for printing or sharing with stakeholders. I hope this step-by-step guide has made it easier for you to navigate Wave Accounting and access your balance sheet. Remember, regularly reviewing your balance sheet is a best practice for understanding your financial position and making informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on managing your finances efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.